again, this is a very, very vast topic, but since we are all talking in the constitutional and the citizenship framework, so I would, sort of limit myself to that, and that would make more sense to everybody, I guess. So, one of the areas which have been reformed, pertaining to justice for women has been the whole, arena of family laws. So, as we all know, after we got independence and the parliament was formed, a lot of progressive laws giving justice and equality to women were brought about. And one whole realm was reform of the family laws. And that is how the laws pertaining to marriage, giving rights to Hindu women in marriage, giving, for instance, the right to divorce was granted by the Hindu Marriage Act. The right to share in property, parental property, was given by Hindu Succession Act. Likewise, 8-9 laws were brought about, which gave Hindu women a lot of rights within family, within the household, keeping in line with the religious texts, and also keeping in mind the entire focus, which was about affirmative action, about getting women citizens on an equal platform. But similar kind of reform did not happen pertaining to the Muslim community. As a result, we are still ruled by what is known as the Sharia Application Act of the 1937. So if we look at that act, because we are all law students, we can just, it's a short and very simple act. It doesn't contain answers to any of the issues such as age of marriage, such as method of divorce, such as consent in marriage, such as the issue of polygamy, such as the issue of guardianship and custody of children, even the share in property and inheritance, the rights which have been granted by the Holy Quran have not been included in this law. So there is a legal disparity in the Muslim household. If we compare a Muslim household with any other household in India, say a Christian household or a Hindu household, or even a Sikh household, then this disparity is there because it's a major anomaly in the arena of family and marriage. And we all know that in the lives of Indian women, marriage is very, very important part of their lives. And most women who enter into matrimony are deprived of their rights because of the absence of a codified law. The benefit which was given to our sisters from the Hindu community or even the Christian community, those benefits have not come to us. So in that sense, it is a legal disparity which leads to also social disparity. So the whole movement against triple talaq, which was initiated by the Muslim women themselves, is one of the landmark in this whole struggle for justice and equality within the Muslim marriage. And it's also sort of counting upon all the gender justice injunctions within the Quran. Because there are so many Muslim countries where there are well laid out rules of age of marriage, where there are well laid out procedures of divorce. It will be surprising to most, that even in our neighboring Pakistan and Bangladesh, there are well laid out and codified Muslim family laws based on the Quran. And some of the North African countries, some of the Arab countries have, such progressive legislation. So if we talk about the patriarchy within the Muslim household, then this is a big, big anomaly between a Hindu sister or a Christian sister and a Muslim sister. So this is what I would like to, at this stage highlight, Vijay. And this is what we want to change so badly, because we want parity with all of the other sisters, and we want that there should be a codified Muslim family law based on the Quran and conforming to the principles of the Constitution, which should be passed by the Parliament. Because even some years ago, even the Christian women did not have a right to divorce. which has now, become possible, I think, beginning 2002, where, thanks to an amendment, brought about by the Parliament, that they can go under the Indian Divorce Act, and there are a lot of Christian women, if they want, they can get the divorce. Similarly, of course, our Hindu sisters have got the right to divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act. So yeah, in that sense, there is a great lacuna, there's a big gap, which should be addressed, is what we feel.